So on the back, if you don't have it on your back, will you write this down? It says, a company's cost per t-shirt, a company's cost per t-shirt for X t-shirts. You don't need to write silk screening on there, okay? For X t-shirts. So X means we just have an unknown amount of t-shirts, all right? A company's cost per t-shirt for X t-shirts is given by the function, is given by the rational function, and then if you can, make sure you write this down for sure. It's probably the most important part. A big C of X equals 3.2x plus 400 over x. I don't have a back either. A company's cost per t-shirt for silk screening, we don't need to put that part, for X t-shirts is given by the rational function C of X equals 3.2x plus 400 all over X. Find the cost per t-shirt for printing. So I'm going to write that same thing. So what they did was they gave us, and guys, if you took Math 112 here, this is called the function notation, where C of X is just a fancy Y, okay? You don't have to do anything with it. It just basically means this is the cost if you print this many t-shirts, all right? So they'll always give you the variable X to plug in, and then you'll do the math and figure out what the cost is, okay? So if we want to know the cost of 100 t-shirts, we're finding C of 100. Which means in our function, anywhere we see X, we're going to plug in 100. So C of 100 equals 3.2 times 100 plus 400 all over 100. Okay? So then you just do the math. The key thing here is kind of order of operations. Do the top first, do the bottom second, divide at the very end, all right? So in my calculator, I would put 3.2 times 100 plus 400 and get an answer there, okay? So that would be, is that 720, I think? So, well, this is 400. So do 3.2, well, you do 3.2 times 100, and then plus 400. 720. All over 100. Oh, you're telling me the answer. I'm there. I'm with you now. Sorry. And then, so then at the very end, we divide, so we get 7.2. Realize I'm not really doing anything with the left side. The left side just says, what is the cost to print 100 t-shirts, okay? And since it's cost, it should be money. So how much does it cost to print 100 t-shirts? $7.20. Cheap. And just wait till we go to 1,000. It's even cheaper. All right. Well, and that's usually like when they'll sell it to you like $10 a t-shirt. So they'll try to make a profit off of you, right? So B is the exact same idea where we're going to take that function, but now instead of printing 100 t-shirts at once, we're going to print 1,000 t-shirts at once. So we have 3.2 times 1,000 plus 400 all over 100. And again, if you do the math up top first, you get...
would it be over 1,000?
It would be over 1,000, thank you, because the X is on the bottom. Thank you very much. So then that's going to be... What's going to be on top? I think like 3,600 now?
Yes.
And then we have to divide that by 1,000. Now you get 3.6. So basically half the cost per t-shirt. So if you up your total amount of t-shirts that you're printing to 1,000, per t-shirt it's half the price. It's only $3. And so maybe you'd sell your t-shirts for $5 at that point and still get a decent profit.